Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by prioritizing safety because paint removers are harsh. Put on gloves, goggles, and a respirator and clear the area. Once done, ventilate the workspace by opening windows and directing a fan outward so fumes do not collect. Make sure to lay drop cloths under the glass and tape mask edges to protect frames. Finally, test the product on a hidden corner so you observe reaction time and glass compatibility before committing to the larger surface. You apply the remover in an even layer about 1/8 to 1/4 inch thick, working from a corner so you control flow. Then wait the specified dwell time. This allows solvents to soften the paint, which is why you'll see lifting, bubbling, or color change. Once softened, make sure to scrape gently with a plastic scraper held at a low angle so you remove layers without scoring the glass. If residue remains, repeat application briefly and avoid metal tools. You neutralize and remove all chemical residue according to the product instructions, because leftover solvent can damage frames or attract dirt. Once clean, rinse or wipe with glass cleaner and buff with a lint-free cloth to restore clarity. Inspect closely for streaks or fine scratches. If small stubborn spots remain, make sure the surface is wet, and after testing in an inconspicuous area, use a single-edge razor at about 30 degrees to lift residue. Troubleshooting tip: if paint won't budge, reapply remover briefly rather than increasing scraping force.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.